Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and use Gelato print on Odoo. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Odoo website right here, odoo.com, if you have not already. So once you've done that, it's going to open up this homepage. From this homepage, we can go ahead and log into our account in the upper right corner. So if you do not already have an account, just go ahead and create one. So after logging in, this is going to be the main page. From this main page, we can get started. This is the home page from where we can access the configuration, size settings, and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to install Gelato. So Gelato is a global print-on-demand platform that integrates with Odoo to sync product catalogs and automate order fulfillment. So as you can see here, we have the official odoo.com documentation page from where we can get started accessing the Gelato article, from where you can follow the steps. So what I suggest for you to do is to go ahead and access the configuration tab right here from your website, open up the settings and get started following the step-by-step right here. So go to odoo.com/documentation, open up the Gelato section from the sales options right here and get started following step on how to get started with adding your API key, how to integrate it, how to follow and track your data, how to create a webhook, and so on, and synchronizing your Gelato products with Odoo sales. All of that is explained in great detail right here and is going to enable you to easily follow the steps for your website. So this is what I suggest for you to do and get started following. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.